Welcome back, students. So now we are going to discuss the solution of the home assignment which was given between 2nd to 7th of November, and the question number 2, complain later. This is the question. Now I am reading the question. The government has banned the use of loudspeakers, but this nuisance continues and disturbs you in your studies. Make a complaint to the SHO of local police station. So this is your question. So now, as usual, you will start with address. Whatever your address, do not mention your name. So house number or the flat number, this and this one. It will consume 2 to 3 lines. What? Sender's address. After sender's address, 1 line space. Then come to date. Then write today we are writing. So write today's date. After date, coming receiver's address. Receiver's address. And who is the receiver here? SHO. It means you will write in receiver's address the SHO. What is the full form? Station House Master. Station House Master. Clear? You write complete. Master. And later on, next line, the local police station. After that, next line, Gandhinagar, New Delhi. It means it will consume 3 to 4 lines. The station house master, local police station, Gandhinagar, New Delhi. 4 lines. See, this is what? Receiver's address. After receiver's address, 1 line space. Then come to the subject. What is the subject? Nuisance of loudspeakers. We are suffering. After subject, coming to salutation. Here you can write dear sir, dear ma'am, as per the form of your question. So after sir or ma'am, do not use punctuation mark. Then coming to the first paragraph. Now in the first paragraph, you can start in this way also, that through this letter of mine I am writing. So I will mention in this way, through this letter of mine I wish to draw your attention. Whose attention? SHO's attention. Where? To the noise pollution. Here you will write your subject. Attention to the noise pollution. You will write here noise pollution being caused by what? Unrestricted use of loudspeakers in the area or in a locality. Unrestricted, there is no restrictions on the use of loudspeakers in a locality. So later on, here actually the fact is that you can mention everyone is aware that what? That it is prohibitory or it is prohibited. For what? Prohibitory ban between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. at night. Clear? 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. So, prohibitory ban between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Everyone is aware, but still it is used. It is going on. Next paragraph. But as a result of this, what is happening? As a result of that, people do not get sound sleep or peaceful sleep at night. Not only people, but here students. Students cannot concentrate on their studies. This is the second factor, students. And after that, students, it also creates problems for the sick and aged people, that they are unable to have a sound sleep at night there. Especially it irritates such kind of the sound continuously which is coming at night. Sick and aged people. So this is what the result we have mentioned here in the second paragraph. You can also mention that the residents have repeatedly requested to whom? Before writing a letter to you, that the residents of this locality that repeatedly requested to the organizers Organizers I wrote in short here. You write full all the letters. Organizers, but it seems that our requests have fallen on their deaf ears. It means it is ruined, useless, no use at all. So therefore, I request you, finally, last one, conclusion. I request you to strictly implement the order. What? The order of, what kind of the order? Strictly implement the order of the use of loudspeakers in the area. It means there should not be use of loudspeakers in our area after 10 p.m. at night to 6 a.m. We request you to implement or strictly implement the orders. Then the residents of the locality or the area will be grateful to you if for this act of yours. Then after this one completion, leave 2 line space, then write thanking you at the left side, and after thanking you, yours truly, your name and your designation, maybe president of that society or the apartment, that you can mention here. Clear? So this, in this way here, that you will write your letter. Wherever I have not mentioned the things or the dot it is given here, that you write complete sentences. Or wherever I mention here in short brief abbreviations, you write all the letters. Clear? So now I hope students it is clear to you. That's all from me. Thank you.